ZBCN just tapped into this point of interest between 0.0027 and also 0.0028. Let's even head to the 1 hour time frame real quick to see what's up. Okay, I think we formed a double bottom on the 1 hour time frame. We are going to be talking about the BTC price in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect for ZEBEC network. As you can see, it's obvious BTC RSI just tapped into the overbought territory. We are going to be discussing the chart shortly and also other charts in order to give you a clear picture of what you should expect. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. And so ZBCN is currently trading around 0.0028. We are currently getting a bounce from this point of interest zone I talked about yesterday. Sadly, I wasn't able to proceed with the video upload. And we're getting a bounce as expected right now. And sooner or later we should rally higher, but the BTC price is signaling a potential reversal, which we are going to be discussing shortly in this video as well. But if this bounce continues for ZBCN, then you all should expect ZBCN to tap into the zone around 0.0030 or 30 technically, before getting a rejection from there, tap into this territory. If the momentum is strong enough, then head higher, flip this previous territory into a support before another massive push to the upside. Let's even check what the RSI is saying. It is obvious. The ZBCN RSI is currently below the sold territory. You understand? It's currently below the 50% line. We are currently seated at 48.7%, which is indicating that ZBCN is now in the sold territory, and this is a potential buy zone. The moment it's below the 50 line, it is a potential buy zone, and that is what is happening right now. We just tapped into the point of interest. That is to say, the point of interest perfectly aligns with the ZBCN RSI being under 50%. Remember, the last time we were under this 50% zone, when we broke out, it was a moonshot to the upside. Check it out. When we broke out, we had a massive moonshot to the upside for ZBCN. I think maybe history is about to repeat herself once again. Let's see how it goes. And considering the market cap, I can boldly say we are extremely undervalued. It will be wise to start positioning yourself gradually right now before the hype return to ZEBEC network, to ZBCN. I think that is what smart monies are doing, and you probably should be doing the same thing as well. Follow the wheels. Copy the smart monies. Now, this BTC chart is one of the most important catalysts that is going to give us a clear picture on how altcoins are going to move, either to the upside or downside. Now, this is the BTC price on the 4 hour time frame. Quickly, we are going to be talking about the BTC dominance in this video. Now, if you're paying attention, we have a potential reversal zone here, which is likely to act as a support territory. The reversal zone is between $94,700 and $93,800 for the price of BTC. Now, this is the BTC/USDT pair on the perpetual contract market. Now, by the time we tap into this territory, we are likely to get a bounce. We have 70% to 80% chance of getting a reversal, a bounce from here to the upside on the price of BTC. And if this pump should continue, then I'm looking forward to short BTC in this first resistance around the 100K level for BTC. By the time we tap there, we are likely to get a rejection. My final most local top resistance for BTC would be around $106,000 for BTC. So by the time we get to the $106,000, surely I think we have 80 to 95% chance of getting a retracement from there. By the time BTC, even if BTC overcomes the 100K, flip it into a support, then the 106K territory is likely to be the local top resistance on BTC. So let's even check what the RSI is saying. RSI is currently in the overbought territory. The last time we tapped into the overbought territory, we corrected and sold to the downside. The RSI corrected aggressively. So we are now in that same territory, the overbought territory, on the same level with the previous high. So I won't be surprised if we start getting a rejection from here into this potential reversal zone. A loss of this potential reversal zone, and a flip of it into a resistance is likely to send BTC price lower than expected. Like seriously. And if BTC is going down this much, then altcoins are going to get massacred as well. So yeah, that's that for that. So the moment we start getting this rejection to tap into this liquidity pool once again, then altcoins are likely to reject as well and tap into their support territory before getting a bounce from there to the upside. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, nothing really has changed on the BTC dominance. And we are currently at 59.65% on the BTC dominance. We are still expecting that aggressive move to the downside, which usually leads to a massive altcoin rally. We had that move in 2017 when an altcoin shot aggressively to the upside. Same move happened in 2021. An altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Now we're waiting for that move to happen probably in 2026. And the moment this BTC dominance begin her aggressive correction, then altcoins are going to go parabolic and ballistic to the moon. Like seriously, that is when you can start expecting to see 100% gain, 200% gain on a daily basis on your portfolio. This is the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame. Now, for those who don't know what the orders chart is, it is the ratio total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 and BTC market cap. Now, the last time the orders chart found her bottom on this, I call it a multi-year significant trend line. The last time it found her bottom was when the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019. And when the quantitative tightening came to an end, what happened? It marks the bottom of the entire market. And from there, we start rallying, coiling up gradually until we exploded. Now, I think same playbook is repeating herself. The 2019 playbook is obviously and literally repeating herself before our very eye. Quantitative tightening came to an end December 1st, 2025. And what happened? The market bottomed and proceeded with a bullish brief pump in January 2026. That should ring a bell. That should give you a green light and also open your eye that the market has bottomed. Even if we should get any pullback, I believe it's still not going to go below this trend line we are seeing right here. And I'm expecting a bounce from this trend line all the way to this high. And that bounce is going to be massive. The moment that bounce is happening, altcoins are going to pump 10x easily. We pump to this high and then retrace into Q2 ending 2026, which is likely to be the bear market, the start of the bear market. The moment we retrace into that zone, found support here, I think 2027 is going to be massively disastrous for the bears. The bulls are going to make a lot of money by the time we tap bottoms this year and then rally in 2027. But this rally you're seeing right here, like I've said countless times, it is still going to be very, very massive for altcoins this year by the time this move begins. It's not over until it's over. Smart monies are quietly positioning themselves ahead of the rally. You know what to do already. My name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Invest wisely. Peace out.